Hey guys, so I'm just starting my vlog right now. I'm in my car. I'm actually on my way to my apartment, and I wanted to give you guys an empty apartment tour. Now I have a couple things in there that I took over there last night, but it's not fully furnished at all right now. So I figured I would do a quick empty apartment tour. Now keep in mind, I ain't one of these big ass YouTubers that got all this money to be affording these lavish apartments, but it is a pretty nice apartment, and so I wanted to do a empty apartment tour. Please excuse my ratchet because I look hella ratchet. But okay guys, so I just walked to my front door. This is my living room area. Let me turn on some lights in here. That's not very bright. Okay, so this is my living room area. This is my kitchen. So here's my little island. This is like the dining area. It's not too big, but we don't need too much of a big dining area. Here's my kitchen. So, you know, comes with a microwave in here, which is great because I thought I was going to have to buy a microwave. Now I don't have to. So there's microwave, stove, you know, dishwasher, refrigerator. And then over here to the left of the entrance is the kids' room. It's not like super huge, but it's gonna do for right now. They have a huge walk-in closet. I have a couple of their things in there already. And then behind their door here, outside the room is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. So I don't have one yet, but I'm gonna look for a washer and dryer so I can put those in here. And then we got the guest bathroom or the kids' bathroom. There's a shower, toilet, sink, pretty basic. And over here we have patio. So, you know, well, I locked everything last night. I don't know what I bring into my shit, but this is a patio. And I'm glad that I got an apartment in the back. They have like houses back here on the other side of this fence, but I don't have to worry about too many people being like all up in my business. So I like that. I think that's like this is like a storage. It's kind of nasty out here. A little storage closet. And I'm sure this is where like the water heater's at. I'm probably my key to get in that one. But anyways, it's kind of dusty out there. I'm gonna probably get a duster and dust out there. It's like a lot of webs and shit and stuff. All right, so here's my room. I love it has this big window. So I'll definitely be probably filming in front of this window. I was thinking just put my bed somewhere along this side of the room. And then this is my bathroom. It looks so dusty. But this is my bathroom. I'm probably gonna replace these lights with daylight bulbs because I don't like the yellow lights. It's very deceiving when doing makeup. So probably gonna put some daylight bulbs up there. Got my bathtub, toilet, and then in here is like the little storage area where I guess you put like your linens and stuff, and probably put like a basket down there to collect clothes. And then here's my closet. My closet is actually smaller than the kids' closet, but I don't have a lot of stuff in here right now. I don't really have a lot of clothes to begin with because I don't really dress up or anything like that. I just have a few things. I have more clothes in my car that are not hung up, but this is my little closet. It has 3 little shelves, and I think that's good. I think like this one I can use for dresses and long stuff, so I can have this romper here. And then this can be like for shirts and things that are not too long. And then I can also put some more stuff up here, and then just storage up there. I'm guessing that's like, I don't know, like an attic area. I don't freaking know. But that's pretty much my tour. It's not like the hugest place ever, but it's my first place in a long time, and this place is way better than the place that I had almost 4 years ago. So I'm really, really excited. And I think the most exciting part about it is that it's just like me and the kids. I'm happy to just have a place to just me and my kids. It's been so long since I just had Aiden. I mean, Anna, when she was like a newborn, we lived in that apartment, my old apartment for a little bit, but then we moved out when my lease was up. So we weren't there that long. So it's gonna be the first time that all my kids are in our own home together. So I'm really, really excited about it. But yeah, that is the end of the apartment tour. Let me turn off these lights because I don't need to be paying a steep light bill. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and do that before I start moving everything in because I'm trying to be completely moved in by the end of the week. Like I said, I'm gonna go furniture shopping and stuff like that. So we're gonna see if we can get everything set up by the end of the week. As far as furniture goes, decorating is gonna take a little while because I still like want to figure out what I want to do, how I want to decorate. Also, I'm so happy about these big windows back here. Girl, I could even film in here. So much light, so much light. I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully by the end of the week I have furniture and stuff. I can give y'all another tour when it's fully furnished and decorated. And I'll probably be doing little vlogs in between where I'm purchasing things and thinking about ideas as far as decorating goes and getting y'all's input. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching this quick little video. Stay tuned for more vlogs as far as me moving and getting settled into my place. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.